So whoever is having, good morning everyone, good morning. So whoever is having indigestion problem, any problem related to digestion, any problem related to gastritis, or if they are finding themselves to digest their food properly, or if it takes times for them to digest, or at some time, normally as a daily routine, when they can't pass out their stools, pass out their motion without any difficulty, and that is considered to be constipation. Some people will have complication of constipation and they doesn't know about that. The piles, fissure, and fistula. So all this complicated state will happen because of having constipation. So because of 2 years of history or 3 years of history, or some people, if in some cases they will have 6 months of constipation history, and they'll also have piles problem, this fissure problem, and fistula problem also. So to avoid such kind of things, we can suggest this healthy intestine to make them easily evacuate all the toxins, to make them pass out their motion without any difficulty. The causes of constipation is not drinking enough water, the first thing. The second thing is low fiber food. So we have to eat properly with the fruits and some kind of millets will have proper amount of fiber which supports for bowel movement, and we lack in that fiber content in our food. So to improve this bowel movement, we have to take fiber content food along with this supplements. Then whoever is too much addicted on milk products, they will also have constipation. And in some kind of conditions like diabetes or heart disease or some other lifestyle disorder, if they are taking any kind of medications to make them normal, make them look normal, they in that condition also they'll be having this constipation because of long-term medication and because of long-term diseases. Constipation will also happen. And having unhealthy fat like using an oil which is not good for health, which is not supposed to be used in that condition. So next fat is animal fat. So you shouldn't make use of animal fat frequently. So that kind of animal fat, unhealthy fat will create constipation problem, and in suppose case of depression will also create constipation. And lack of physical activity, without doing any exercise, without having any proper exercise to your body, you can't pass motion properly, you can't have your bowel movements daily. So you have to have minimum normal physical activity, and too much of iron supply in case of if you are taking any iron tablets or if you are taking any iron syrups to increase your hemoglobin level. Normally, because of too much of iron supply, constipation will happen. And in pregnancy also, constipation will occur. And in some people, in lifestyle disorder or adapting to new places, in that cases also, will be having this constipation problem. So to avoid all such kind of causes and to have proper bowel movement, we can suggest our healthy intestine. So healthy intestine is not like normal food supplement. You can't suggest for everyone. You have to have a precaution before suggesting this healthy intestine. Only people whoever is having this problem for a long term or 2 months or 3 months or for 1 week problem of constipation, you can suggest them to have this healthy intestine. People whoever doesn't have any problem related to indigestion or constipation, they can follow taking fruit fiber and strong live to promote their healthy digestion. Okay, so only for people whoever is having constipation problem, normally you can suggest this healthy intestine. So we're going to look what are all the ingredients we have added in this healthy intestine. So I'm going to name out all this ingredients in Sanskrit and Hindi. Whoever needs, you can note it down. So first thing is Swarnapatri, that is Sanaya in Hindi and Swarnapatri in Sanskrit. We have added in this healthy intestine as a main ingredient. Next is Gandhira in Sanskrit, which is called Garmar in Hindi. Then Aragbhata in Sanskrit, and in Hindi we'll call this Amlavetis. Next we are adding Bibitaki, then Shunti, and Namak and Saunf. So all these ingredients will improve the digestion process, and it will directly help in improving the bowel movement directly in your large intestine. So people whoever is having problem related to constipation, indigestion, if they are not having proper bowel movement, if they have any piles issue or fistula or fissure issue, they can make use of this healthy intestine. So all the ingredients whichever added in this will improve your body's digestion, metabolism. It acts as a laxative which will improve the bowel movement directly. So it's like whenever you take this healthy intestine, you'll have improvised metabolism and you won't have problem related to constipation. Every day morning, normally, like other people, they can also have proper bowel movement so that their body will be detoxified normally. They won't have discomforts related to indigestion or any discomforts related to piles, fissure, or fistula. So the first thing, Swarnapatri, this is a very important Ayurvedic herb we are making use in this healthy intestine. It will improve the movement of colon. Colon means large intestine. So it will improve the movement of colon. So it acts as a laxative. It's a strong laxative actually. So in place of any other Dufalac or Dulcoflux, you can make use of healthy intestine because you are making use of Swarnapatri in this healthy intestine. Next is Bibitaki. Bibitaki is called as Bahera in Hindi. So what's the special character of this Bibitaki is, it's one among Triphala. It will help in loss of appetite. People who are all having loss of appetite problem, they'll face this constipation. So it will improve the loss of appetite, it will induce your digestion, and thus it will flush out all the unformed waste materials from your colon. So whether it's properly digested or improperly digested, the waste materials will be cleared off from your large intestine. Next is ginger. Ginger is added here to improve the digestion and to stimulate the large intestine's function. What is the large intestine function? Is to detoxify your waste material properly. So to improve this function, we have added ginger. Next thing, saunf. This will also help in preventing any kind of accumulation of bacterial infection and viral infection or any kind of microbes in your large intestine. To balance your gut bacteria, the saunf will help in that particular function. So that while controlling the gut bacteria, the liver will also get a perfect support for a great digestion process. The next thing, namak, the Himalayan salt. In Hindi, it's called as namak. In Sanskrit, in Ayurveda, Saindava Lavana. Its name is Saindava Lavana. So Saindava Lavana is the superior quality salt, which we have to make use of in daily routine, but we are not making use of it. So what's that proper function is? It will improve the electrolyte balance, and it will also improve all other ingredients function. It's like improving the potency of this healthy intestine tablet, healthy intestine capsule overall. So whoever is having this healthy intestine, whoever is going to take this healthy intestine, they'll be having proper bowel movement every time after taking this healthy intestine. So overall, the benefits of having healthy intestine is they'll have improved digestion. There won't be any problem related to constipation. They'll have proper results regarding to piles, fissure, and fistula. If they are having any such complication, in that complicated state also, they can manage those things with having healthy intestine. And people whoever is having flatulence problem, gas problem, they can also make use of this healthy intestine to reduce such discomfort. Okay. So to promote your livers and your large intestine's healthy function and to avoid constipation, you can make use of this healthy intestine.